Hi everyone, Richard here. This is a Realme 7 5G. Well, this phone will bring 5G for everyone, according to its tagline. Well, we have to look and see what it brings. I'll test it out and then do some benchmarks. Let's look at the box. There's nothing at the sides except the Realme 7 5G logo and the other side as well. But let's look at the specs. It's actually a MediaTek Dimensity 800 5G chip, which has a ultra smooth 120 Hz display. This is a LCD display with full HD plus. And then we have a dart charge at 30 watts, and it can do 0 to 100% in 65 minutes. So let's open it up and see. There's nothing here except I think this is just the menu. Oh yeah, there's a TPU case here. It's very nice and thick. It's a clear TPU. And it's good that they provide this case as well. Is And then we'll bring out the phone and put it aside first. This is a SIM ejector tool, and we have a USB type C to type A. So this is a dart charge, which is a 30 watt hour charger, but it comes in a US China pin, so you need an adapter for that. So the unit looks impressive. I like this layout, and there's the Realme logo at the bottom. But this matte finish, satin finish looks nice. It's actually the mist blue, and the front is actually a 6.5-inch LCD Full HD Plus display with the selfie cam right in front. And the side house the power button. What's interesting is it's also a fingerprint scanner. So I like this kind of layout because it reads better than in screen. At the top, there's a mic hole. The side has a SIM tray, which is dual SIM, and a SD card, and the volume buttons there. There's nothing else at the rest. And then you have a headphone jack, and a bottom mic, and a USB Type-C, and a single speaker. And we'll look at the camera. It's a 8 megapixel ultra wide, and then you have the 48 megapixel main lens and a 2 megapixel macro, with another 2 megapixel black and white portrait lens, as well as a single LED. So let's turn it on, and oops, there's no power. I need to charge it up. So let's do a charge test since it's zero, and it's a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, so it's pretty huge, and we'll see how long it takes to charge up this phone. It's already 28%, 12 minutes, and let's look again. And now it's 20 minutes and 42%. It's crazy fast. Wow, 78% in 40 minutes, 98%, 58 minutes, and it's 100% in 1 hour. Crazy fast for 5,000 milliamp hour battery. So this unit comes with the Android 10 with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage space. So you look at the 120 Hz refresh rate setup. We'll leave this on because we want to test out the 120 Hz, right? So it's really silky smooth. If you're used to the 120 Hz, I think you won't go back to the normal 60 Hz. Next, I'll be looking at the fingerprint. This unit comes with a side power button fingerprint. Let's do the sign on, and I think it's reading my fingers easily. So it's much better than the screen fingerprint for me, because I have problem with the in-screen fingerprint. So the thumb is way much faster. So let's test out the speakers. This is a mid-range phone with just a single speaker, but we'll still test it out. So there's a single firing speaker there, and nothing from the top, just the bottom. So if you block it, can hear if there's nothing at the top, but if you drop it, the bottom sound will go softer. So next up, we'll just run some benchmarks to see what's the score for this Dimensity 800U, and we're running the Antutu and have a look at what's the results like. So you're talking about 340,000 for Antutu. So it's not bad, it's good. And let's look at Geekbench, and its single core is 591 and multi-core is 1776. Let's look at the CL bench. It's 1972 for OpenCL. So next up is 3D Mark, and the result is 1592, while Android Bench is showing the read speed of 979 and write speed of 484. Uh, Even though this LCD screen is a full HD plus screen, the colors are great, the viewing angles are good. It's the 120 Hz ultra smooth display really is nice because it's really responsive. Reason being is has a 180 Hz sampling rate, so it's actually oversampled there. And with the 90% body to screen ratio, wow, this phone can play the game, not much issue. Um, Best thing is it doesn't overheat. There's no After a few hours of playing, you're not gonna get that very hot feeling. Maybe because the Dimensity U 800U is pretty good at heat management and the way they package the cooling for this phone as well. So next up, PUBG. I think everyone loves this game. I can never play this game, so I've got this far. It's a miracle, and I'm having close, so managed to get past. Not very close, right? So this is quite a tough game for me because I'm not very good at these shooting games. I'm more on a driver racing game. So, ouch! I got hit by someone. I got He's just shooting me at the back, and I'm not dead. And I killed him. So it's amazing that I killed someone. It's probably my first kill. Uh, it's kind of difficult to play this game for me, but on the phone, no issues. It's cool. Graphics is working well, smooth. Gameplay is not much issue here. I would think this won't be the high res setting because I may not be able to do the high res with all the shadows. But it's good enough. The frame rates doesn't seem to have any drops. And again, I'm running around because I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken warrior. So if you see me kill anyone, it's considered a bonus. If I'm not killed yet. Keep on running, keep on running. Okay, now I'm hiding somewhere. Uh, Not a good position to hide because I think everyone knows I'm here. There's one semi-nude guy outside there waiting for me. So let's let's try to shoot him. Okay, my aiming is pretty bad, right? Look at that, he's running away. Oh, he's trying to get on higher ground and shoot me. So am I gonna get him? Yeah, I'm playing chicken again. I'm not good at this game, right? So he's running towards me, and I ran out of bullet. Okay. Oh, I killed another person, and ouch, I got killed. So there's it. I hope you liked the review, and I'll give a link to where to get this phone. Do give me a thumbs up and follow me on my next video, and I'll do the camera test. Bye.